Iran cracks down on a private party, and by the way, the US is very, very angry. That's right, Tehran is buzzing, but not with celebrations right now. This time, it's fear. Over 20 people detained at what was supposed to be a very simple birthday party. Homemade alcohol seized, a crime in the eyes of Iranian law. The US State Department didn't stay silent. In fact, their Persian language account called out Tehran, saying that in today's Iran, no one outside the ruling inner circle is safe. Officials enjoy lavish parties while ordinary citizens they face the arrest. Absolute control is the real goal here, but there's more. In fact, Jafar Panahi, the internationally acclaimed filmmaker, in fact, the winner of Cannes, has been sentenced in absentia. He wasn't even in the court, yet the regime still punished him. He has long faced restrictions. Even for a decade, Iran has curbed his films, his moment, and his voice. Now back to the party. Alcohol has been banned in Iran since 1979. Breaking the law can actually mean fines, lashings, or even jail. Making or selling it, the penalties are harsher. In fact, Iranian media says that these raids are about morality, they are about Islamic values. Critics, well, they call it hypocrisy. Here, officials celebrate with extravagance. Citizens get raided for a birthday toast. This crackdown isn't isolated, by the way. Be it cafes, be it private homes, be it underground venues, all under the watchful eyes of the authorities. And it's not just without any danger. Many turn to the black market for alcohol, and sometimes that ends in poisoning or even worse. The message is very clear here. In Iran, obedience is mandatory. Even a private gathering can turn into a nightmare. The world is watching Iran, and the US is calling it out. Citizens are scared, artists are silent. Tehran's crackdown show power over people, over freedom, and over even the simplest act of celebration.